Students, open your EVS textbook and 8th lesson, page number 31, India political lesson name. India's location in the continent of Asia. Located in the southern part of the continent of Asia, India is surrounded by the Arabian Sea on the west, the Bay of Bengal on the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. India is a large and beautiful country. Can you locate India on the map? It is the mountain ranges of Himalayas separate India from most of the continent of Asia. They form a natural boundary. Look at the map again. You will see that India shares its boundaries with many countries. Pakistan and Afghanistan are to the west and northwest. To the north we have the countries of Nepal, Bhutan and China. Bangladesh and Myanmar are located on the east, and to the south are Sri Lanka and Maldives. India and its neighboring countries from the India subcontinent. A subcontinent is a large land mass that is part of large continent. The India subcontinent is part of Asia. Political divisions. India is a large country with a population of more than 100 crores. We have a union or control government, central government at the country. New Delhi is its capital. The Prime Minister, the President and other ministers of the central government have their residence in the capital city. Since India is very big, it is difficult for one central government to understand and solve all the problems of all the people. Therefore, India has been divided into smaller areas known as states. India has 29 states. Each state has a capital. To look after the welfare of the state, there is state government. Them of the chief minister, the governor, other minister and other senior officials live in the capital cities and work for the state. Some areas of the country are not the part of any of the 29 states and are directly under the control of the central government. These are known as the Union Territories. There are 7 Union Territories. The city of Delhi is also one of the 7 Union Territories. Its complete name is the National Capital Territories of Delhi. The largest state is Rajasthan and the smallest state is Goa. India recently formed the three new states of Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and Uttarakhand among the Union territories. Andaman and Nicobar. Iceland is the largest, while Lakshadweep is the smallest. Thus, we see that India is a vast country with a varied land surface ranging from mountains to valleys to deserts. Along with this, its climate also varies. Some places are hot while others are cold. Some places have plenty of rain, whereas some are dry. This variety of land surface, physical features, and climate affects the lifestyle of people. Their way of living, dressing, and eating differs. The people of India speak different languages depending on the region and follow different religions too. So our country can aptly be called the land of diversity. However, in spite of this difference, there is a deep bonding and unity. We all love our country and call it our mother. We are also proud of being Indians.